iDome NX, the new ultrasonic welding system designed for precision, versatility, and advanced industrial integration. SWP controller with Linux-based OS, complete parameter control, and real-time graphical monitoring. Quick lock acoustic support with micrometric adjustment of rotation and planarity. Compatible with complex automation systems, with external PLC management and RJ45 Ethernet interface. Multiple welding modes, time, energy, absolute, and relative height, with high precision magnetic encoder. Reliability, modularity, and industrial intelligence. iDome NX by Sonic.